Hello, and welcome to the channel The BI Nerd. In this 1-minute Power BI video, we will learn the DAX function now. We will create a new column next to this column with today's date and time. Click on the new column icon and type the DAX formula. I will name my column as DAX now and write the formula equal to now. This will create a new column with current date and time. We will now subtract the old date with today's date. I will write the DAX formula for subtraction. We can use the DAX formula of subtraction to find number of days between two dates. Let's now change the data type to whole number. Click on Column Tools and select Whole Number from the Data Type drop-down. This will give us the output of number of days passed since the previous date and time. The whole number indicates the number of days between two dates. Thank you. Please subscribe to the channel to get regular updates and check out other Power BI videos on the BI Nerd.